In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert timers in Google Slides, whether you're gearing up for a presentation, facilitating a workshop, or conducting a classroom session. Using timers can be incredibly helpful for keeping everything on track. Let's dive right in and get started with adding timers in Google Slides. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do that. Click on the Sign In button to begin. Once you click, you'll see a list of accounts associated with your Google browser. Choose your account from the list. If it's secured with a password, then type that in carefully. Follow this with a click on the Next button to proceed. Now you're signed in, and we can head over to Google Slides to start working on your presentation. In the upper right corner of your screen, you'll notice a small grid of squared dots. This is essentially a menu of Google's apps. Click on that and then scroll down until you find the Slides icon. Click on Slides and you'll be directed to your library of presentations. Go ahead and open the presentation you're planning to add a timer to. Once that's loaded, select the specific slide where you want your timer to appear. Now, look up to the top menu of your screen and click on the Insert option. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Video. A pop-up window will greet you, and it's important to note that the Search tab is already selected by default, which means you'll be searching YouTube for content here. This is exactly what we need. So in the search box, type in a query like 5-minute countdown timer or whatever duration suits your needs. Press enter, and a list of countdown timers will be displayed. Take your time to scroll through and pick the one that best meets your needs. When you found the perfect timer, click on it and then hit the Insert button. Now that the timer video is part of your slide, you can click on and drag the corners of the video to resize it. Position it wherever it visually fits best on your slide. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice a sidebar titled Format Options. Within this sidebar, you'll find a section labeled Video Playback. Here you'll want to adjust the setting from Play on Click to Play Automatically. This ensures that the timer starts as soon as you transition to that slide, keeping everything moving smoothly without needing manual intervention. And there you have it. You've successfully added a timer to your Google Slide presentation. This simple addition can make a world of difference in how timed and organized your event feels. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful for you. Keep practicing, and soon enough, inserting timers will become an intuitive part of your presentation process. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.